Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Yakyu Inari Shrine, also known as Yakyu Inari Shrine, is a significant shrine located in Higashimatsuyama, Saitama Prefecture. It is one of the 5 largest Inari shrines in Japan and is particularly known for its baseball-themed offerings. The shrine enshrines the deity Yukai-no-Imitama-no-Kami, who is associated with business prosperity and abundant harvests. The name Yakyu is pronounced the same as baseball in Japanese, which has led to the shrine becoming a popular pilgrimage site for baseball fans. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visitors can find baseball-themed Emma prayer plaques, Omamori charms, and Omikuji fortune slips that are designed to bring good luck and success to baseball players. The shrine's history dates back to 712 AD, and it has been an important place of worship for centuries. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.